Yeah. Okay. So I'll let Sister Sandra go first then.
Well, my problem was after I did everything, putting all of the words and all of that, and then it's time to download. When it download, this is what I am getting, this white screen. Now it's coming up as a video, but when I download, I'm getting this white screen. And then when I click on video, that's when you see the background and the words. So I don't know, something must have gone wrong somewhere along the way there.
Okay, so are you using your laptop so that you can share your screen for us to see, or you're using a mobile phone?
I am on my laptop right now, but I can't open up on my phone and go on to and open up onto Canvas so that you can see.
Oh, if you are on your Canva, is it on your laptop or your
Yes,
phone?
it is. It's on my laptop.
Okay, it's fine now. You can share your screen for us to look at it.
All right, so let me open that up so that you will be able to see what I may have done wrong somewhere along the way. All right, so now honestly, I got this video by trial and error because, you know, like everybody else, we were waiting for the video, but we didn't get it. So I went on and I kept trying and trying, and this is what it turned out to be. All right, so let me open up Canva.
Okay.
All right, this is what I have here. Okay, so all right.
Are you able to share the screen?
Yeah, I'll share screen and just give me a sec. I'm pulling up everything here so that you can see.
Please, I'm not seeing any screen now.
No, I'm not.
She hasn't done it yet.
Host disabled participant from screen sharing.
Yeah, sorry, it's my Zoom thing. So just 1 second. Let me allow you to do that. Sorry. That's what I was asking. 1 second. Sister Sandra. I'll make you co-host. Right, go for it now.
Okay, so let me share screen so that you can see what is happening with me. All right, so this is what I did. All right, so this is the original thing that I did here. And for me to get the video, I went and I clicked this across here. And of course, I got the video. But when I went to share now, I shared, I downloaded. All right, and when I did that, this is when I got when I opened it up, I got the white screen. This came up here. When I opened it up, that is when I got the white screen. You see it running across like this and the white screen. So I don't know what happened between them because like I said, I was working with trial and error because I may have missed the correct steps. But when I click on this here, you're seeing what I did, but it's running across white screen. So that when I went to post it, of course, I had the white screen, not the background and the words and all of that. So I need to know exactly how to get this done without ending up with this white screen.
No problem. I think I will just share my screen so that we can get to work and then learn how to avoid the white screen.
Okay. Do you want me to tell you my challenge, or are we okay with what you wrote?
Oh, you can tell me your challenge also, so we just treat everything at once.
Okay, so for me, what I did, so I had the picture, then I put the words on, and then I realized that your picture was, it was kind of slow. It was slow. It was one was rising, one was coming down, but the pace of it was nice and slow. So I got mine to do that by doing animate rise. Yeah, and I told the top one to come down and the bottom one to go up, but the speed was not right. Mine was just too quick. I couldn't get the speed correct as per yours. And then I noticed yours at the end was also fading. So what I did was I needed it to do two things: rise at the beginning and fade at the end. And at the end, if I told it to now fade, it didn't do the beginning. So what I did was I copied the first section that I had done, which was 3 seconds, to add to the second. So I had 6 seconds, and I told the first bit to rise and the second bit to fade. But then I had the white screen in the middle, as my sister Sandra just shown. So because I had the white screen in the middle and I didn't want it, I cut it. Otherwise, I would have been able to put 2 segments together to do the 2 things. So if you can take us through all of that properly, that would be great.
No problem. No problem. So we'll just get over it from the beginning again, so that in case before that we're lost from the last class, we can now be on the same page, like I said earlier on. So I'm going to share my screen now, and then I'm going to start from the beginning. But today I'm going to be making use of a proper video dimension. So I'm not going to be using the Instagram dimension. I'm going to make use of the normal video dimension. So whatever I'm doing with the normal video dimension, we also can do it with the Instagram dimension too. But maybe I'll just go over it briefly, and then we'll move to the video dimension properly. So I'm going to share my screen. Okay. So today I'm going to be making use of another thing. So today I'm going to be making use of the premium version of Canva, because it's something that is important for us to have. You know, we need to, or you be able to use all the features of Canva. With the free version, we can't achieve much like when we're on the premium version. So today I'm going to be using the premium version. Though I'll try my best not to use elements that are not free.
Sorry, I'm a bit confused. You said you're going to use the premium version, which is a non-free one, but then you said you try your best to use elements which are not free.
That are free, so we all can work with the video too, and then do ours together.
Okay.
Because if
Okay.
I'm using the premium features, we will not be able to achieve the same result. So I'm going to, though I'm using the premium account, I'll still be making use of the free elements.
Okay. Okay. And then after that, we can talk about the team, because I went on to see if we can all join the team, but it looked very expensive. So maybe I didn't click the right thing. So we'll wait till you finish and we can talk about the team account.
Okay. So let me share my screen right away. So this is my Canva homepage. So I'm going to be using the Instagram video. So the Instagram post. So first of all, we'll just quickly do the video with Instagram, and then we'll now move it and then do something with the other with normal video dimension. So for that assignment, I sent to the platform. So I'm just going to go over it again, and then we all can learn from it. Okay. So it was a beautiful picture. So I'm going to search for just any image of nature. So that's what we have as our background. So I'm going to look for nature, forest. Let me see if I can get something nice. Okay, let me use this. So I'm going to set that as the background image. So this is what we're supposed to do first of all. So once you upload the image you want to use, you set it as your background image. Okay. So I'm going to add this animation for the image. And the animation will pop out. I'm going to look for
After I click animate or for my background, I click pan. I use pan.
Yeah, I think it's also using pan. I'm also using pan because it's supposed to be pan, so I'm using pan too. So just the video. This video is just a very simple video that it's not supposed to take up to 10 minutes. So I'm just going to do the next thing. Guys, life is beautiful. Simply, I'm going to highlight it and increase the font size, and I'm going to change the effect to uppercase, and I'm going to take this beautiful down, and then I'm going to align it left. So I'm going to align it left and change the background color to yellow. I'm looking for a color that matches my backgrounds because, well, so I'm going to use this, but I'm going to fade my background a little bit. So I'm going to make use of this transparency and fade my background a little bit. Okay. The next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to reduce the spacing of the. So I'm going to reduce the line spacing. So this, and then I'm going to increase this. Okay, so I'm going to highlight this, something like this, and push it this way. Okay. So so everybody know what I'm doing, right?
Yes.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, so far. Although I'm not sure I know how you faded the background,
Okay, from transparency,
the
yeah.
forest.
Sorry, what is the take a break? I'm seeing take a break there.
Yeah, so it's the video, is the text on the video.
Okay.
So this to fade the background, this is your transparency here. You can decide to increase it, you can decide to reduce it. That's
Okay.
how it depends on how you want your background to be. So sometimes you use it to include color. Like if I fade this, my background a little too. If I fade the background into now, I can add a color to it. I, or I can use white. Any any color of my choice, I cannot add it to it because I faded the background.
Okay.
Okay. Next is on the item. This is going. I'm going to align this left. Yeah, and then I'm going to use it to 33. I'm going to take it here. I should have to reduce a little bit. Okay, yeah, and then change the text color to white. I think I should choose this 2, 26, give this 26 to 26, yeah. And then, so this is it. So now, what's next for us now is to add the animation to it. So everybody know how we have got to this point, right?
Yeah, so far.
Okay. So this, okay. Listen.
All right, we go back to, I just see a video, something here. Go back.
I should go back.
Yeah, how are you getting that? I missed something here.
Okay, so if you're selecting your animation for any of your text, right, you are going to put it, when you select it, like if I click on this life is beautiful now, and I click on the animate, right? So if I'm clicking the animate, I'm going to use on the both. So you click
Right.
both. So when it will appear coming, and when exiting, it will disappear too. So that's, if you set only an enter, it is not going to show, it's not going to exist. So the animation is not going to work at the ending of the video. But if you are using the both option, so once you select it, the text will disappear too, just like the way you saw on the video.
Ah. So
Yeah.
so basically what you've done there is when you created the background, you put the animation in. So
Yeah.
all the text that you've done is following that same animation.
Yes.
And then you clicked on both. So it does it at the beginning, on enter and exit.
Yes. So once you click
Got it.
play it like this, and then exit the same thing.
Okay, so you need to run this one more time. So after you finish all of your words, you're clicking on animate again? Or you're going to click on both?
Yeah, you click on both. That's if you want to, for the text.
All right, so you click on both, and then you click on this 5.0 here.
Yeah. When you click on both, you come down, you see. So if I go and click on both, now I'm using a different animation for this video now. So you see, now if I go and click on this for the text, and then I choose pan,
Right.
and I choose both. Further the text, I do the same thing for this. I go to select animate, and I choose the same pan, and I choose both.
Right.
I did the same thing for this text. I choose also the pan. I'm going to choose pan. I still use both. And then these two, I choose pan. So you just hit go and choose pan and to select both. Now, if I play it, you see that the background is moving with a different animation, and then the text have a different animation. Do you understand? But if you don't select a different animation for your text, it's going to automatically work with the animation you did on the background. So that's it.
All right.
So basically, is it always a good idea to select both, as in let the animation do it on entering, let the animation do it on exit?
So that question now would happen if so it depends on what kind of video you are doing. So if at any part of the video, I think it's better off not to just put the animation on both. So just allow it to enter, and then not exit. You should not use the animation, so that people that are watching your video can see. Probably people want to get that last part of your video. So if you use on both at that last part, it's going to disappear after the text appears. So it's better you just use on entering. So if you enter, you don't have to, the animation don't have to work when you're exiting. So it's going to just remain. So whatever text you have is going to just remain on your background, and people have to can see what is on your background without it disappearing.
So if I do this correctly, like how you do it, then I wouldn't get that white screen.
Yes.
All right. All right. I want to share my screen, please, if you don't mind.
Please, just before you share your screen, I'm sorry, the network threw me out. I was asking just before it took me out, how you got that animation. After putting all the words, I'm sorry, I didn't get that. So please, if you could just repeat that.
Okay, so when you tap on any of the text you want to use animation, you are going to see like now it's because I've already selected this pan. But if you haven't selected pan, you will see it animation here. You will see the option here. But if you have selected the animation before, you are going to see the animation you selected, which is palm. You can see, you may see palm, you may see fade, just as the one you selected. So that's it.
I think
Then
I'm
after
lost.
that,
here.
yes.
So
Sorry.
if I want to use this, maybe I want to put animation on this with nature. Once I hit on it, I'll click this animate here, and then come and select the animation I want to use. You know, so there are different kind of animation you can use. You can just pick any one. So it depends on what you want to do, and then once you are done, you can select on enter or on exit. So on exit. On enter is when the animation appear to perform that task you are assigned to do on enter, and then if you on exit you see I perform the same task. But if you use both, it's going to only perform the task on enter, but it's not going to perform the task on exit.
Please, the magic right we are seeing there, is it the one that has to do with the animation?
Magic, where's magic?
It's on Life is Beautiful. So it's part of if you want to delete that with nature.
Okay, if you just want to click, it should show you. It's just a zoom. It's just a canvas stuff. It's nothing. It's just showing that you can edit. It's because I'm also using I'm also using the premium version, so that's why it's showing me magic, right? So it's AI writing for you.
So basically, what you did there was you didn't do anything to do with the speed at all. It's just because you selected the background to be pan.
Yeah.
And then the words followed pan. That's why it was able to just do it smoothly.
Yes, exactly.
Right. Yeah, because my speed, because if you hit on one of those and change the speed, can we have a look to see if it makes a difference?
Where is speed there, please?
Yeah, so I want him to show you.
So see speed, see by the speed here. So this speed now, why do you want to use it? Because it's for paid version. So if you're using the free version, you won't be able to do it. You know. So that's why I didn't use it, because we are all using the free version for now.
Yeah, no, that's fine. So on the speed, if you go right, that makes it quicker, and if you go left, it's slower. Is that correct? Because I couldn't get mine to work.
So the speed right is quicker, yeah, and then I didn't just want to use it because of
yeah. No, I get it, but you've done yours totally different anyway, so that's why you get that nice gentle speed. Okay, great.
Yeah.
So please, one more question. After
Okay.
putting the pan and the animate, on enter, is it at the beginning or is at the end? I don't
Enter
get
is at the beginning. At the beginning. So once you play the video, so this enter, and then on exit, it's going to also leave.
Okay, another thing I want to know is, how do you get that play sign at the center of the button? At the center of the video, the play sign. You clicked on that, but
This is what you're talking about?
yes.
No, okay, this is just normal play, because you are playing the video. There's nothing.
Does it mean that if you upload this now, that play sign will enter it?
No, it's not enter. It's just like you playing the video. Like if you click any video on your device now or your laptop, That play sign will always be there because it's a video. So it's telling you that, oh, this is a video. You can click on the play sign to play it.
I'm just looking on mine that I downloaded to see if the play sign is still there. Hang on.
Okay, just download it.
Yeah, because I did it exactly like, let me see when I added it. Did it have the play sign? Yeah, I think Sister Sandra's has the play sign in the middle, and mine also have the play sign. Yeah. So when you download it, it comes up, sis. You see it.
So I'm downloading for us so we can see it.
Well, what I don't understand with Mod's own is that her words, life is beautiful, with nature, disappears completely at the end of it. It's not like yours. And then it is the forest that is moving at the background.
It's because I did it a different way to what he's showing us. I did it the way I thought it was going to be done because we hadn't seen this. So what I did was I did my background and then I told the words to do different things to fade and to rise. That I told my words to fade, not to pan. So we're using different animations. But now Uche's is showing me how he's done his, and it's nice and slow and gentle.
Yeah. Also, so that's for this video. So I don't know, Mama Sandra wanted to share her screen. I think she has a little challenge. I downloaded the video and it doesn't have that play sign here. So it's Canva because the Canva play. It's just showing that it's a video play. You can play it.
And can I say something on your video? When you look at the video, the beginning of the video has no words, and then when you tell it to play, the words come up. Whereas mine, the beginning of the video, when you look at it on WhatsApp, has the words, and then it disappears right at the end. So, is it just because of the pan? Nothing to do with anything else, yeah?
It's just the animation. So because of the animation,
Okay.
But if you slow, so if you do, so I want to move to our proper video so that we can see how we make use of that slow timing and all too. And then you also you can. So that is what we talk about thumbnails. So that's why you use thumbnails. So we are going to come to that because what people are going to display on people's screen is the thumbnail you decide to use. You know, so there's this video I think.
Please, is everybody on the same page with him for this one? Before you go to thumbnail.
I'm not.
Okay, please, can you ask your question so that we don't get lost and give up?
I got it up to where he changed the background, every other thing. But where he now made the things to begin to move animation, that's where I didn't get it.
Okay.
Just go through that.
Okay, I think it's better for us, someone that got it to go through it for us. At least from there we learn.
But can we have Sister Anitia to share her screen to walk us through? Are you able, sis?
Well, I don't have my screen to show. I've been using my phone. Somehow my phone was stolen. So this one I'm using now is just a new
okay,
phone I took
okay.
yesterday. Yeah.
Okay, so you can't do it then.
Okay,
But I'm
so
following up because I have my notes.
okay, so we'll just go over it again one more time, and then we'll move. So after you are done, so you got to the point of inputting all this text, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. So once you are done with that, so first of all, once you put your background image, so you decide the kind of animation you want to use for your background. That's the background. So once you select it, automatically all your text or whatever your element you're going to put on that same background is going to work with that animation you
Okay.
chose at the beginning. So you are the one that's now going to manually now select each animation for each text or each element you want. So now, because we use a Photorise for this background image, so all the text, so we don't have a Photorise on as a text. So what is good is the thing that the next animation that's similar to Photorise with text is span. So
Please, just a minute. Well, this Photorise is for what, Abeg? I thought it was only fun.
So Photorise is an animation that I'm using for the background image.
Okay.
Yeah.
So when you click on this animate here, you see different. So you see different kind of animation you can use. So this is the Photorise I'm using here. So I can decide to use photo zoom. So it depends on the one you want to use. So this photo zoom is going to give me a different view. So if I play the video, you see that the picture is now zooming out. And I have to now use a different animation for all this text, because now all the text now works with that animation I use as my background. So once you change your background animation, you have to touch the rest, the text and the element on the background. Okay, so once you are done with the background, you select each of the elements you have on your background. If it be text, be it other elements, you have to now use the different animation you want for it.
Okay.
Yeah. So when you simply click on it here, then go to animate here. But because I'm only using fade here, so if I click on it, I'm going to pick pan. This I pick pan. Yeah. So this text now, the animation for this text now is pan. I can do the same thing with nature. Fade. I click on it, and then so we all know why it's showing fade, right?
Yeah, that's what it says on your screen.
So we all you know why
You
it's showing fade.
you use transparency at a point.
Yes,
Is
he used
that why it's
transparency.
fade?
And
No,
then
I'm saying,
change
and the question I'm asking is that we all know why this my text with nature, the animation is showing fade. The animation is fade. I didn't select this fade. I don't know if we all know why it's showing fade on its own without me selecting it.
No.
Fade is to get whatever, like
It's showing fade
color on it.
because of the background.
Yes, because of the
Yeah.
background. So
Yeah.
Manuche, can you take the animation off so they can see the word animate before you switch it to fade? It will be clearer.
exactly.
no, okay. So I have to
Yeah, so
remove.
take the animation off.
Okay.
There's a button.
Let's remove
Okay.
animation here.
Did you see remove animation at the bottom?
Yeah.
I'm trying to. The button supposed to be remove animation. Where is the button? Okay. What am I
That
doing?
big button, yeah. That's
Okay,
it.
so
Okay.
this is it. So once I click on it, I'm going to use now, because let me start from the beginning again. If you select any animation on your background, automatically all your text and the element on that background will work with that same animation you use.
Okay.
Now, for text, we don't have like now we have photo zoom. For text, we don't have photo zoom. What we have that can relate to photo zoom is fade. So that's why once you select a animation for your background, all your other text on that background will look for a similar animation that can work with that background animation. Do you get?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So now because I'm using photo zoom, and then this text is going to use fade because fade is kind of like similar to photo zoom. But you are the one now manually going to now select the animation you want to use for this text by yourself, so that you do not work with what Canva gave you from your background. So that's it. Now we use photo zoom here. If you look at this is now fade, this is now fade, this is also fade because our background is photo zoom. And the next text animation we can use that's similar to photo zoom is fade. Are we clear?
Yeah.
So now you can now manually now change each animation with whichever animation you want now. Because now I want to use pan, I'm going to select this and click on pan. I'm going to also select this and click on pan. I'm also going to select this and click on pan. And then it has the whole different animation for my text and a different animation for my background. So that's it.
Mm.
Are we clear?
Yeah. For me.
Who is not clear? Who's not clear? Are we all clear?
Okay, so just play it one more time. Let us see the
Okay,
whole
so
video.
this is the video. Now, I didn't add an exit. So you see that the text appears even at the last part of the video because I didn't add on exit on this animation, so I use on text. Do you understand? So if I had had on exit, this text also will disappear at the end of the video.
Can you just add it? Let us see.
Okay. So I'm going to put both. I'm going to do this to both, and I'm going to do. Okay, so I'm only going to leave these two as
Yeah,
exit.
you let those two white ones stay.
Yeah. So now, so see.
Okay.
Right.
Are we clear now? So
Yeah.
because these two that does, I didn't add on exit on these two texts here, so that's why they still remain on my background.
Okay.
So who is not clear, so that we now can go over Sandra's question.
Yeah, I am clear in terms of getting it. And
Okay, I'm
getting
clear
it
right now.
on my
Okay,
background.
that's great. So I want to show us a video that we're working with today. So we may not finish it. Our next class, we'll finish it. We'll not finish it in our next class. So I'm going to play a video for us to see. So this is the video I want to play for us. So I want us to do this video. Yeah. So this video, Do you think we can achieve this video? Do you think we can do this video without my assistant? From our
Play,
class so far.
Oh, wow. Play it again. Let us see.
Yeah.
Okay.
You got this from Google.
No. That
He-
is
he-
where he works. Maybe he's the one that did.
So,
Did you
so
do
this
it
is
yourself?
using the typewriter fade on here,
Yeah.
isn't it? Because he showed us
Yeah.
that last time,
Yeah.
but not the first page. We don't know what the animation was.
This one is hard. The
hard.
background is fading from different one to different one.
Yeah.
Mhm,
So,
mhm.
This
yeah,
one is complicated.
it's complicated. Yeah. So, and who can try to attempt this video? Yeah.
Hmm.
Among all of us here.
We can do the words, but the background moving. Okay, well, we can attempt it, but you know the first page, you
It's
had
difficult a bit.
you had a picture where it was like teeth coming together.
Okay. Yeah. So
Somebody was moving.
yeah.
You know
So
that very first page.
we are going to go over all that. So that's why I showed that video. I want to show a complicated video for us to see, so that we can learn, right?
Okay.
So that video, this first
Page.
page, this first slide, we are not going to do this slide because this is different. This is something like you have to do separately.
Okay.
So you have it's kind of like a thumbnail for all our videos. So it's not, so what we are, our focus is going to be from the second slide, from this slide. So from the second slide now, can we attempt it?
Yes, so sorry, to go back to Sister Mercy's point, the picture that's behind and moving, is that part of what you want us to do?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm just going to go through the first slide, which is this, and then I would download the video and then send the platform. Maybe I'll go to the first and the second slide. So we would look at it and then, okay, I think that I should look for something simple for us, since everyone seen that one.
It's too hard.
So how about this?
This one's very long.
No, this one is for 6 minutes now.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It's very long. Let's stick to the first one.
Let's
Okay.
do a shorter one.
Okay, let me look for a shorter one.
Maybe 30 seconds.
Okay, so I have this one of 42 seconds. How about this one?
Wow.
Okay, yeah, this is a nice pace, isn't it?
How do the
So-
words go? Okay, the words going out is on exit, Abby.
No. So this is what we did have from our first class today. So this is what we're going to do today. So we are going to make use of different slides and then doing different things on different slides. So while doing a video, we work with pages. So now each of this video you are seeing, each of this stuff you are seeing here, are different pages. This page 1, this page 2, and then this page 3. So that's it. So if you add page 1, page 2, page 3, and then we'll play our video. Because it's not, so if I change the background color of this page 3 to, let me use white, and then play the video. So it moved, so you cannot, so you cannot select different design you want for each of the pages. And then you see, you can add transition. So we are going to go over that now. Let's start. So I'm going to be adding this text. So I'm just going to do this number 1 first. So it's going to start with what you know about the malaria vaccine. Okay. So I'm going to start my this. So I'm going to delete this and start with this. So I'm going to use a different background. So I'm going to use let me see. Okay, so this is a plain background. So I'm going to just go to my element and search for any background. So I can just search for a background.
But the background had people in it.
Yeah, so that's the second slide. So we'll do that also. I think this first one was just a plain background.
That one was still, no, it was greenish.
Yeah, I can just change the color of this to gray. I'll change the color of this to gray. I can use dark gray. So I'm just going to document it and it's a dark gray. So I'm going to move the animation. I don't want it. Okay, so that's that for so the next thing we are going to do now, we are going to add the text. So the first text is what you know about the malaria vaccine. So I'm going to do text. What do you think is? Sorry. So let me develop use caps. Okay, everything was in caps lock. Okay. What's no? Okay, so I'm going to increase size. I'm going to make it left, alignment to left. I'm going to drag like this. Okay, so this is fine. So I'm going to look at so I'm going to add another stuff. They added, okay, it's just, okay. So this is green. So I'm going to pick this. I use this color. Okay, this is it. So we all know how to do this, right? To select a different color for a text. The same text. Oh, okay. So you highlight it down there. Just to highlight it and select the color you want for that particular text. Okay, so the animation is okay. So the animation
this text is bolder than yours, so yeah.
Okay, I'm just going to change the font style. So I'm going to look for a different font style. which is Poppins, yeah. Okay, I'm now going to select the animation I'm going to use for this. I don't know what is this? Is it typewriter they use? Let me see.
No, was it not Rise?
It's Rise, yeah, it's Rise, yeah. It's not typewriter, it's Rise. I'm going to, where's Rise? This is my Rise. Okay, this is my Rise. No. So we added a different, okay, it's not Rise.
It's not.
Yeah, it's not Rise. Let's see. So it comes like, okay, this is,
That's Ascend.
yes, I sent. I'm going to use, so let me look at if it's on both or, okay, I think it was on both. It was on both. Yeah, it was on both. So
Was on what?
on both, like on exit and on enter and on exit.
Ah.
Yeah. So if you play it, see, that's it. The next
Oh, you
page,
stopped it in the middle, so we didn't see, but we'll take your word for it that it's on both. Okay.
this is,
Okay. Uh-huh.
okay. So this,
Did you see right at the end they had a white page? Oh, this is
yes,
your next page.
because the
Okay.
second page is white. Because the second page
Okay.
is white.
Mm-hmm.
So because my second page is white, so it's
Okay.
playing my second page already for me.
No problem.
Yeah. So the next thing now is, so I'm going to, there's a video at the background, a video of a man walking.
And the
So
car, there's a car.
yeah, so the one thing about all this kind of thing that you will not have to look for a video that has a man walking. So I'm going to see where I'm going to search, because that video is a video from, it's not like from on Canva, it's a Nigerian video of a place in Nigeria that we used for this. So, but I'm going to look for a video similar to it and put it here. So I'm going to search for a man walking. Okay, I think I should use this. This right, this is okay, right? So you set this one.
Okay.
So now if I play it, see something now. If I play it,
I think you should use something that has color, because this background is white while the whole of that background was green.
yes, I'm going to change the background to green too. I'm going to change this background to green like that. So I'm going to go to transparency and reduce it. And then add the background color to the same color. Do we get?
Yes.
So simply go here, reduce it,
transparency, yeah, and add
and
color.
then add color.
Okay.
The next thing we are going to do is to add the heading. So we are going to do O1 and change it to Poppins. And then take it up to this point. And then look at the text. The next text is Malaya is the major house.
Can you copy that text instead of typing it?
I'm going to copy it and paste.
Right.
Are you going to copy it now?
I'm going to copy it. I'm already copying it.
Oh, have we lost him? Oh, he's here.
How did you copy that?
It's my phone to copy it.
Your phone?
Yeah.
You should show us how to copy it now so that we can copy.
So this is an iPhone stuff. It's an iPhone feature. Also Android phone does it too, like, but the latest version of Android phone. So you just snap the text and then you tap on it and copy.
And how do you send it to your laptop?
I sent it to myself on WhatsApp and then copy it from WhatsApp.
So basically, if our phone can do copy and paste, then we'll do it. If not, we'll type it in.
Just type it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, no problem.
Okay, so this is the same, also the same, so the same
Send,
animation. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm going to make it align to the left and then take it up and then use ascend. Yeah. I'm going to use ascend. Also I'm going to use ascend for this too. I'm going to use ascend. So I'm going to do on both. So this on both too. Yeah. And then, so if we play it, so I'm going to let me just reduce this. Okay, this 5 seconds. Let me make this also. I'll have to reduce the video.
Uche, I think you're going a bit fast though. I
Oh,
don't
okay.
know. For me, you're going a little fast. I don't know for the others.
Okay, where did we lost you?
Okay, look at that man now. He's walking very slowly. Was it part of how the video was, or is part of your animation for the
No,
background?
so that video that's how the video was. It came like that. So this not have nothing to do with me. So the man walking that way is from the video.
Okay.
So I just wanted to reduce the man the video length so that I can have that for 10 seconds. I'm going to reduce it to 10 seconds. Done. Are we clear?
Background for the video of the man.
Yes.
Yeah.
I've reduced.
How did you get there, please?
Yeah, can
So
you just show how you got the cat? Can you go off this screen? Go off this screen and then come to the screen. Yeah. So we
Okay,
can
now.
see. Yeah.
So now you click on the video. Once you click
Okay.
on this, because my background is the video. So if I tap on this, it's going to show me this sign to cut the video or to try to trim the video.
Got
So I'll
it.
just click on it and then reduce, increase. I can decide to increase. I can decide to reduce. So because I want this particular slide to be 10 seconds, so I'm going to reduce the video to 10 seconds. Now, so and I have this slide for 10 seconds and this for 5 seconds and this slide for 5 seconds. So if once I play it now, are we clear?
Yes.
So I'm going to add a transition here. So I'm going to do a little nice transition.
Please go back, I beg. You are too fast.
Okay.
Am I
Your
the
question.
only one is fast for?
Okay, your question, so we can go over it again.
No, she said you're too fast, but nobody else.
Oh, okay. I thought you had the question.
No, nobody else is speaking. So she says you're too fast.
Okay.
Reduce duration. Okay, from the cutting of the video where you reduce the duration, after that I lost you actually.
Okay, so because I want this particular slide to be 10 seconds, I click on the background, reduce the video to 10 seconds. Like so, just trim it. When you click on it, you show that symbol to trim because it's a video. So you can now trim it, reduce to whatever seconds you want it to be. And then if you play the video now, you discover that that second slide is for 10 seconds and this is for 5 seconds. So that's it.
So which of them did you trim? Is it the background or the words?
The background video.
Okay, what about the words? The words doesn't have any
So
duration.
so the words, whatever you text I put is going to just work with the actual seconds of the slide.
Okay.
So if you are putting it 5 seconds, right? This text is going to be faster because it's 5 seconds. Let me show you something now. So because let me reduce the video to 5 seconds. Now this video is 5 seconds, right? Now if I play, you see that the text is now faster because you have to display for 5 seconds.
Okay.
So that's it. So the next thing I want to show you is how to add different transition on our pages. So you tap on this screen. So there's a
What is
little arrow down here.
transition, please?
So
What's transition?
okay, transition is like how you want the next slide to come in.
Okay.
Yeah. So now there's a little arrow down here, like arrow. So you tap on it that says show pages. You tap on it, and then you're going to see all your pages. So if you have more than 10 pages, 20 pages, you see all here. So now you can add transition on the pages here. So you're going to click on these 3 dots here. Once I click on it, I'm going to see add transition. Now I'm going to select the transition I want. Right now it's none. I can decide to use. So this is how it's going to be. So I can decide to do this. I can decide to do this. I can decide to do this. I can decide to do like this. I can decide to do it like this. So this is a transition how you want the next video to play. Are we clear?
I'm
So
clear.
I'm selecting that transition. So once I play the video now, you see that the next video is going to come out in a cycle form.
So it's just the transition that made the thing to.
The free
Yeah.
one doesn't have, excuse me, the free
Yeah.
one does not have add transition.
It does.
It does?
Yeah.
Okay, because I'm clicking on my page and it's
Is it
not
that?
allowing
No,
add
click on this.
transition.
There's a 2 dots here. If you say click on this
One
arrow
arrow.
down here. Can you see this arrow down here that my mouse is
I
now?
can see, yeah, I can see the arrow. I'm
You click on it.
I'm just trying to do what you said, and
Okay.
it showed
You
a
click
page, and on top
no.
of the little page, it has 3 dots. And when you
Yes.
click on that, it opens up a window that has add title page, add page, duplicate page, delete page, lock page, expand to whiteboard. Add transition is not enabled.
Let me
Check
share
not
your
enabled.
screen.
Sure, can you share your screen there? Let me stop sharing.
Oh, okay. Now I have a challenge because I'm doing it on my laptop and I'm listening to the class on my
Ah,
You can share your page from your laptop.
It's not that I don't want to show my page. I'm using 2 devices.
yeah. Yeah, her Zoom is not on the laptop. She can't
Yeah.
share her screen.
So I cannot share
Yeah,
like that.
she can't share her screen, it's true.
But I used to share my screen though.
No,
Okay,
no,
the Zoom is.
the
Yeah.
Zoom is on her phone.
Hold on. Let me
I
see if I
thought that
can.
she can share her
hold on.
screen.
Let me look at something. Let me quickly open the free version and see.
Yeah. Oh, check the free version. You'll see what I'm talking about.
I don't even see the transition on the premium.
You can see the transition too.
No, I'm on the premium because I just went on it today. But I
Okay.
don't see it. I'm on the phone. The phone is different to the.
Okay. I have transition here. Yeah,
On
the
the free
transition working.
one?
Yes, this is the free version.
Okay. I don't know what is wrong with what I'm using this.
Are you doing it on your phone or the laptop?
On the laptop.
Okay, I'm
This
on the
app,
phone.
and you
Can't
can
see
share
it.
your screen because yes, the free version is. So let's look at the all version are available on the free version.
Okay.
So hang on, you click on the picture itself and then you look for the 3 dots, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm looking, okay, I've got them all. Yeah, I'm not getting that, but I'm sure it's there somewhere. Now I can see the duplicate. Okay, let me add page, and then after I've added page, what do I get? Okay, I'm not seeing transition, but I'm on the phone, that's why. So I will try and switch the laptop to see it. Is anybody else on the phone that can see the transition?
I haven't even opened my own. I don't know how to get off this screen to put my own. Okay. Boom.
Oh, you're sharing your screen?
I don't know who owns this ad title here. Is it yours?
I think
This one on the page, add title page, you mean? Add page title.
How is it that mine is not even
that is what
activated?
I'm seeing. I'm seeing add page title, but it has gone off now.
Yeah, it's
should-
where he had his thing.
Can you see the transition on your own page?
No.
it has transition, but it's not allowing me to use transition. Once I put the cursor on it, it's giving me like a circle and whatnot that you cannot, it's not allowing it, it's not enabling it. Let me see if I can share my screen so you can see what I'm talking about.
Okay, so let me stop sharing it.
Okay,
I have to make you co-host quickly, sis.
Just give me a second.
Oh,
Okay, this is Zoom. Let me see if I can just share my screen.
1 second.
Can you
Yeah,
enable
now
me to share my screen?
I'm doing
please?
it right now.
All right.
Okay, try now.
All right. So you see, can you see add transition? You can see my screen?
You can see
So
it.
when you look at it, it has add page title, add page, duplicate, delete, hide page is not enabled.
Okay, I know why it's showing that. Okay, I get the reason
So
why
you
it's doing
see
that.
it here?
Yeah. Why it's doing that is because your Zoom, your Canva is not seeing this your design as a video. So once you convert this your designer to a video, that add transition option will work.
Okay. So once I convert it to video, then it will work.
Yeah. So
Where is she to convert it?
So once you just don't use any animation on the page to turn to a video, and then you can add that transition you want to add.
All right.
Can she just do that?
Yeah,
Okay,
we'll watch your screen. So Sister Jacqueline, we're watching your screen for you to go and get a video and paste it here.
You want me to do what?
Yeah, go and get a video and bring it here so we can see the transition.
Okay, let me go back to
the design or elements.
So okay. Click on any stuff. Now, and that's itself, you don't have a second page. You don't have a second page. So you have to have a second page, and for your transition to even work. You don't have a second page.
I think I have this one. Let me
now try transition now.
I have this one.
Click on it.
Okay, good. So
Yeah.
because this one has 2 pages, so it
Yes.
has allowed
Yeah.
transition. Okay,
Yeah.
I get it now. Thank you.
Okay.
So click the add transition. Let's see your options you get.
So all the options are valid.
Great.
All traditional options are free.
It has all this: dissolve, slide, circle,
Okay.
color wipe, and all of that.
Okay. They are all
All right.
coming up.
So click one. Let's have a quick look.
Because it's
Click on which one?
Anyone. We
Anyone.
just want to see the effects.
So I've clicked on this.
Okay.
Match.
Yeah. And tell your thing to play. At the top. Go to the top where it says 9.5 seconds. Lovely. Play that.
There's no. No.
All right.
Yeah. Yeah. We can see the 2 pages.
All right then. Thank you. So I can stop sharing.
Yeah. So
Yes.
so that's it. For transition. Yeah.
Thank you.
So do anyone have it? And the question for us. So that because we I think we should try. Can we just try this page 1 and 2 ourselves? Maybe I should just download it and share on the platform to see where we can attempt this page 1 and 2 with the same transition and everything.
What, right now?
Not right now, probably
Oh,
as
okay.
our assignment.
Okay. All right. So if you can snip the pages and put them on the chat, we'll have the words to type, please.
How many pages does it have? This video?
Just 2. Should I add the 3rd page?
No, I'm not talking about this one. The whole video.
Okay, the video have so this is the second page. This is the 3rd page. Okay, this is the 4th page. And this is the 5th page.
What do you mean?
This is the 6th page.
Okay, so that video is a video called Health Fact _NG.
Yeah.
Okay, let me look for it here.
So I can just share the URL, the link to the profile.
Mhm.
So that's
Okay, great. Oh, that's in the chat. So let's put that on we want to put that on the WhatsApp chat.
Yeah, so but so this is a simple one. What I want us to just do. This particular we just did in the class here, because as we go over more. So I'm just going to quickly join this show. So I'm going to look shows. So let me bring out some design that I did today. I want to see if it's something. So look at the design. Everyone, we all can do this design, right?
Hopefully.
Hopefully.
You want us to do this design?
This line that is around that person. I don't know how. That line that is like a box from her head down to the bottom.
Yeah,
So
that's a shape. That's a shape, sis.
This is a
not
picture
her
frame.
face.
This is a picture frame.
Yeah.
Picture frame.
What do they
that's
call
the
that
shape.
picture frame?
Yeah.
So when you just go to elements, search for picture frame, and you will get it, image frame.
Okay. Picture frame, not shape. Okay.
Yeah. So this we can do this, right?
Well, this
So
is
this design was done with Canva. This design was done with Canva. We can all do this design, right? Because we have gone over this and over again and again. We can all do design, right?
We'll
I
try.
think we can. The only thing is that I'm thinking this image that's at the bottom of a girl that tied her scarf. How do you search for something like that?
Black woman.
Black woman.
Yes, on the elements, yeah.
Okay.
There will be different types of black women.
You
We
see,
see that
it.
black.
So yeah, when you go click black woman, and so when you click, when it loads, sorry, I was going to my design. So I'm going to click black woman here. Black woman.
Black woman is in Elements.
Yes. Then you now click on graphics. And this, the young lady, where was she?
You can actually pick anyone you like.
Yeah, no, so this is the young woman lady.
Okay.
And then did you flip it?
Yes,
It
and then
looks
you now
like you
flip
flipped
it.
it. Can you show
Yeah,
us how you
and
take that and then you flip it?
so if I tap on it, I click on flip and then flip it like this.
Ah, okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
So was it vertical before?
No, it was facing the right side, so I flipped it to face the left.
Flip it horizontal, let's see. Maybe the other way.
So if you are flipping horizontal like this, want to be down, up.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Okay. So I'm still showing. So let's see. What about this? What about this? Can we all do this?
This is a lot of elements, isn't it? So that's 3 pages you've shown us so far, isn't it?
This very one with this open, like a silhouette, yes? You have white there, like a silhouette of somebody.
Yeah.
How do you get that? Is it also in Elements?
Nope.
The
So
silhouette.
So this is something that we are supposed to do, but I didn't treat this course because this particular how to achieve this particular design, because you can only achieve this if you are on the premium version. So this is it. So this so this belongs to this guy. This belongs to this lady, and then this belongs to this lady.
Right. So
So
Uche, can
I'm
you
just going to
help us
show.
out? I'm willing to get the team membership so we can all get the premium, but I think I put something in wrong because one person says £100, and if I put like 10, 12 of us, it says 1,200. That's not right, is it?
So I'm going to look at it, and then
Will it not be cheaper if we do it from Nigeria? I don't know.
So that I'm saying I'm going to look at it and get and give us feedback, maybe on the later
Yeah,
in
right.
the week.
And then I don't mind sponsoring for everybody, seeing as we're this far.
Okay. So for this, I'm just going to look go over how we achieve this sharply.
Okay.
So I select any image. I can just select any image here. So I'm going to use this man. So I'm going to click on edit image. I'm going to first of all remove the background image. Yeah, so I'm going to remove the background image of so I think I should do this in a fresh page. Yeah. So I'm now going to go to back to my edit image, and then I'm going to click on this option. So they have shadow. So we have this duotone. This duotone now. Once you click on it, you click on custom, and then I'm going to click on highlights. I'm going to change it to white. I'm going to click on the next shadow and change it to white. Are we good?
Okay.
We're good. It says it just you typed in the white, but we could just choose the color, yeah?
Yeah, so
You didn't
yeah,
type in white.
He
I didn't
typed in the hash for white.
Yeah, the hat is white. You can choose you can decide
Because
why
of
you
his
type white.
cloth.
No, it's not because it's white. I picked the white color.
Okay.
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 But this is not pro now.
This is pro.
Mm. I didn't see that thing that looks like crown on it.
Uh-huh.
Because I'm using the pro version, so it doesn't show that I'm. Well, if
Okay,
I'm
okay,
good to go over.
yes, you are using it, yeah.
Okay.
But all these are on Instagram page, Abby?
Yeah, it's on Instagram page.
Okay.
So can I ask, if you show us the design again, there was a logo at the top. Yeah, show us the homework again. Yeah. No, not here, not the pink one you just showed us with the silhouette.
Okay, okay.
This one. No, can you go back, please? Yeah, that one there. You see the one with the wings, the heart, the free tribe something, and then the chin or China over there. And these are all logos, or you just
I think they are logos.
Logos. So these are logos of these
yeah. So
the
that's what I'm
organization
saying.
sponsoring this event.
We won't be able to have that.
No. So
I'm
it's
not
simple.
sure.
You can just these are logos that you just download. You can just download and upload it and then reduce the size and take it up.
Okay.
That's just simple.
All right.
So
So which one is the homework? So you can paste it on the chat, because some of us have time early in the week and some later. So if you
I
put
think
it,
I would think I would love us to attempt the design and exactly like this. Can we get this? Can we attempt design exactly to be like this?
Post it. No,
I should
this
post it,
one is
right?
not hard. The only thing is that we will look for this boy's image, but
and steal the whole thing.
or we'll just go to internet and type his name. Again,
Okay,
Bachinam
I think I will post his image on the platform too. But I'm
Yeah,
going to help. I'm going to make it easier for us. I'm going to also remove the background before I paste the picture. Let me just move the background now. So those that are using the premium version, I don't need to move the background. You can just do that with the premium version. But those that are using the free version, I have to move the background of this guy's image. But those that are using the premium version, just go to your when you click on it, when you
I don't
add
think
the
anybody
image.
has premium version among us.
I think Mama Madu has a premium version.
I went for, you can click on the free trial. The free trial
Okay.
for 2 weeks, and then
For
after
30
the free
days.
trial for 2 weeks, then it starts charging you. So I just finished my free trial. So today is starting to charge me. That's why I was checking the teams. Yeah. Okay. So if you paste it, we can have a go.
Okay, so if you're using the premium version, once you just click on input the image, click on this edit image, and then click on remove background, and the background is off. For those that are using the premium version, but if you're using the free version, you will not be able to do that. So I'm going to give us 2 assignments this week. So I'm going to just paste everything right now on the platform. So
No. Sorry. 2 assignments this week.
Yeah. So we are going to. So the assignment is not difficult. This video, we are just going to replicate this video, exactly the same video, just one page 1 and 2. That's all.
Okay.
That one is
So
not
there's not
hard.
too much.
That one
So
we
I'm
can
going to.
manage.
Yeah. So I'm going to download this and then share on the platform. So you can spice it up and add the background music for us. Your own video. Spice it up.
Well, we get
add
music
background.
from. You have not shown us that one. No.
But it's just for you to upload. Once you click on I already have an audio. So you just go to your once you download the audio you want, click on upload the file and select the audio you downloaded. Bam, and click open and then to upload. Once you upload, you drag it and drop down here. And then once you play,
Okay, I have to drop. There's another meeting I need to be in.
okay. So that's it. Okay, so I'm going to share it on the platform, and also I'm going to share this design and the image of this guy on the platform too, so that we can attempt the question. So I'm going to remove the background of the image of that guy. Let me move the background now.
Okay.
Okay, so I just want to download this
Thank
image
you.
of this guy and then move the background and then share it on the platform. So I'm going to share this video so that we just have the video now. I think that will be all for today. See you next week.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. God bless you.
Okay. Thanks, everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. God bless you.
God bless you.
Good night, everyone. Good morning,
Good
good
night.
afternoon.
Night.
Night.